Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we are back with an unboxing. This is a Cusimax double hot plate, and seems really nice. So stay tuned for the unpacking and unboxing. It's a Cusimax double hot plate CMHP B201. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Okay. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Has the brand etched into the product. Hold on a second. Look at that beauty. All right. Let me take it out because I'm doing this all by myself. So hold on a second and I'll have it uncovered. Be right back. So it's a double burner. Really nice. Looks nice and professional. Brings instruction manual for the hot plate. It's a double burner. And yeah, I feel like I'm about to play a set or something, like a DJ. Like these are turn decks or something like that. But as you can see, the knobs are here. Can you see? I'm sorry, hold on a second, because these things, yeah, you can see now. You know, you hear it, clicks on, kind of clicks off to the max. And I believe back here, I think there's an on switch. Yeah, there's like an on and off switch. Comes with your cord. I believe it comes in a number of colors. As you can see, this is a silver, standard silver, but it comes in blue, red, green, and black. Really nice. So, I look forward to using it. And I'm sure there's warranty information here, whatnot. But yeah. Thanks, y'all, for watching this unboxing. Hope you've liked. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, give us a like because it does help the channel. And if you like to see and follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, my next haul and review. And until next time, I feel like I'm DJ. Wicka, wicka, wicka. Anyway, just a cute little video so y'all know I'm alive. And we will be back with another review. So until next time, y'all. This one also looks bigger than this one. I just noticed. I just noticed. I guess this is for bigger pots and this is for tinier pots. It looks nice. Very thankful. All right. We will be back. Stay tuned. Until next time, XOXO. Nerdy girl.